Hello friends, we are back with another video and here we are taking a nice printed paper which is plain on one side and here we are trying to fold it in such a way so that after folding it out we are getting this kind of look, and this is how we are trying to fold further, and we are creating a nice box look here. Next, it's another cutout paper we have taken and we are trying to roll it in the form of this spiral shape, and we are pasting it so that we get a nice cupboard look and we can keep our things. Next, another color paper we have taken and this is how we are trying to fold. After folding from the remaining two sides, this is how we are trying to get this nice pattern here, and this is how we are folding it further. We have created a nice holder here and this is another same colored paper. We are trying to fold in such a way so that we can create this nice pattern here and we can fold it further to create a nice box here. This is how we have created the boxes and put it inside that and made a nice box or a holder. Next, we have taken another pattern paper and this way we are trying to fold so that after folding further, this is how we are creating a nice diamond look here from the bottom part, and above we are cutting it out and trying to open this nice pattern here. This is how we are folding it further so that we can get this nice circular pattern look here, and we can color it out or paste this pattern paper on top of it so that we will get this kind of look here. This is how we are spreading it and cutting it out further and making a nice flower or umbrella look here. This is how we can decorate it further and create something like this, and this is how we have made something like this which can be pasted into this nice umbrella, and here we have completed our nice decorative umbrella. Next, we are taking another paper and this is how we are trying to fold. After folding, we are getting this nice thing, and this is how we are trying to fold further from the back part as well as front part. Now we are trying to fold it to much thinner piece, and this is how we are trying to fold similarly from the back part. Now, after opening it out, we are creating a nice flower, and with the help of this green paper we are trying to make something like a leaf, on below that a stick look here. This is how we can paste our flower on top of this and make this nice flower. Now, using another colored paper, we are folding it and making this nice fan look and pasting all the cutout pieces further so that upon pasting it to this nice same color paper, this is how we are getting something like this, and we are folding it further and wrapping the other paper and making a nice game out of it. This is how we can decorate it further with the help of yellow strips and put it inside that and create something like this, a nice thing, by wrapping the same color paper. This is how we are wrapping with another color for decoration purpose, and we have created a nice playing game.